step into the GMC 2022 Sierra 1500 Limited AT4. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are preferred equipment Group 4SP, 3.23 rear axle ratio, auto-locking rear differential, 18x8.5 machined aluminum wheels, 20x9 6-spoke carbon gray painted alloy, perforated front leather seat trim, 10-way power driver seat adjuster with lumbar, not equipped with heated ventilated front seats and off-road suspension. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.